Hello everyone. Today we're gonna know more about this ARK investment. So let's start. I wanna start with the session with one quote, famous linings. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come. So let's begin about this ARK investment. This is a very interesting thing. If you wanna start a journey in the stock market, this is like if you are knowing about this ARK investment, you will kind of knowing all the good stocks which are coming and will be booming in futures, which you can take, which you can buy and hold for long term. So let's start with the ARK Investments CEO and the CIO, Cathie Wood. She is a very well-known personality in the investment field. Um, she founded ARK to focus solely on disruptive innovations while adding new dimensions to research. To an open research approach that cuts across sectors, market capitalization, geographies, Cathie believes that ARK can identify large-scale investment opportunity. So Cathie spent 12 years at AllianceBernstein as CIO of Global Thematic Strategies, where she managed over $5 billion. Cathie joined Alliance Capital from Tupelo Capital Management, a hedge fund she founded, which in 2000 managed approximately $800 million in global thematic strategies. She she was very famous. I mean, she she has been recognized as an influential fund manager across various outlets. In 2018, editors at Bloomberg acknowledged Cathie by selecting her to its second annual Bloomberg 50 list of people across business, entertainment, finance, politics, technology, and science who have defined global businesses. The best investing advice for 2019 from Fortune's expert. In 2016, Cathie received the Women in Finance Outstanding Contribution Award from Market Media. So this is how Cathie Wood is. So let's talk about the funds which are available in the ARK investment. So there are two types of funds in ARK investment. One is active ETF and second is index ETF. So in the active ETF, if we want to have an overview of active ETFs, ARK invest across sectors, geographies, and market cap, seeking to identify companies missed by traditional sector-based strategies. So basically, they'll be focusing more on. So basically, active ETFs are designed to capture long-term appreciation and alpha uncorrelated to traditional indices or manager exposure to aggressive growth through a fund rather than individual stocks, complement to traditional broad index-based value or growth strategies. So if we have to see uh, the funds, so there are 6 types of active funds. So every fund is having their own meaning and what all stocks they are holding. So if we go with ARKK, Ark Innovations, so this says that why to invest in ARKKK. Focused on Ark's belief that innovation is key to growth, which is obviously true. The Ark Innovation ETF is built on the cornerstone investment that present the best risk reward opportunities from Ark innovation based themes. So their ticker symbol is ARKK, and if we have to see this performance, so from last 3 months, I mean this market was not at all good. The market price is 103.98, and it's of a market cap of this ARKK is $20 billion, and portfolio manager is Cathie Wood. So she is the portfolio manager of this ARK Invest. And if you see this 3 months, the percentage is a little bit down. A to the end is down, but if you see 1 year graph is 175.20% high. So this is pretty good. From last 3 weeks, market is really down. So if we see the top 10 holdings of this investment is Tesla, Teladoc Health Inc., Roku, Square, Shopify, Zoom, Zillow, Spotify, Coinbase. She recently added Coinbase, Twilio. And as you can see the ticker symbol here, and also the market price of the stock, and also the shares, how much shares they're holding. So they're pretty much open about their investments and what all shares they're buying and selling it. So this is it. Now if we go to this ARKQ, which is autonomous tech and robotics. So why to invest in ARKQ? Exposure to autonomous vehicle, energy storage, robotics and automation, 3D printing and space exploration. The ticker symbol is ARKQ and market cap is 20 billion. So these companies may develop, produce or enable autonomous transportation, robotics and automation, 3D printing, energy storage and space exploration. And if we see its market price, it is 77.50, and if we see its performance, so it's pretty much same as ARK. If we see its performance, oh yeah, it's 10% high in last 3 months, and if you see the 1 year growth is 154.29%, which is awesome. And if you see the top 10 holdings, which is Tesla, JD.com, Trimble, Kratos, Alphabet, Baidu, Teradyne, Iridium, NXP Semiconductors, and Lockheed Martin. So suppose if you do want to invest in ARK Investment, if you don't want to buy the ARK Invest, you can actually see the best investment. I mean, Cathie Wood is really an awesome investment and manager. So you can select from these companies and can buy, but only one stock, and you can hold it for very long. But I would suggest to buy an ETF instead of buying a single stock, because it's kind of balancing out your price. You won't be losing much in it. So if we go to the next, which is ARKW, Next Generation Internet. So this company may develop, produce or enable cloud computing, which is for sure gonna be our future. E-commerce, like you have seen in the pandemic, Amazon was growing like in hell. Big data, artificial intelligence. As you can see, most the humans are now relying on artificial intelligence. I have one video on artificial intelligence too. Please do watch it. What artificial intelligence is doing these days. Mobile technology, Internet of Things, future platform, blockchain. This crypto market is doing awesome these days. So this is best. So its ticker symbol is ARKW. Market cap is $43 billion. Portfolio manager is Cathie Wood only. So if you see its price, it's as of now $130.04. And if you see its performance, it's from last 3 months is 7.74% high. 1 year performance is 182.39%. And top 10 holdings are Tesla, Grayscale, Bitcoin, Trust, Teladoc, Square, Shopify, Twitter, Spotify, Roku, Coinbase, and Twilio. So this Grayscale is also the Bitcoin market fund. Square is now investing in the Bitcoin. And Square and Twitter's owners are same, so these are kind of relating each other. Coinbase is a good market one. And yeah, so now let's go with the second and the fourth one, ARKG. So it would be may develop, produce, or enable CRISPR targeted therapeutics, bioinformatics, molecular diagnostics, stem cells, art, agriculture, biology. I'm not fascinated about from this index. I don't know why, but I mean this can work, but I don't know, for some reason I'm not fascinated. See, its market cap is also very less compared to the other ETF. Its market price is $76. Its top 10 exposure is Teladoc, not a very well-known companies. So these are Teladoc and some of the other companies are in other ETFs. So if you are buying those, so you are kind of investing in these companies too. So if you want to know more, you can you can look and you can do your own due diligence. But yeah, but I'm fascinated about this investment fintech. This is our future. So this will be investing in transaction innovation, blockchain technology, risk transformation, frictionless funding platform, customer facing platform, new intermediaries. Its ticker symbol is ARKF. Its market cap is $58 billion. And if you see its performance, see it's 2.53 in last 3 months. And last year 149.23. And if you see the top 10 holdings, Square, Shopify, Zillow, Sea, PayPal, JD, Mera, Kadalipere, Pinterest, Tencent, Median. So it's pretty much good. And if you see the last one, ARKX, they'll be exploring to space exploration, including orbitals, suborbitals, aerospace, enabling technologies and beneficiaries of aerospace activities such as agriculture, internet access, global positioning system, construction, and imaging. Ticker symbol is ARKW. Its market cap is $30 billion. Its price is 19.90, so it's not too much high, and it's pretty much good because it will be investing in aerospace and GPS. I like this stock. The top 10 holdings are Trimble, 3D Printing, JD, Kratos, ADM, Komatsu, Lockheed, Thelsey, Boeing, Go. And if you see uh, performance is not mentioned, but if since inception is 2.15%. So these are the active ETF, and there are index ETF too. So if you see this index ETFs are index ETFs track quantified areas of innovation and aim to offer. So they'll be targeted access to niche areas of innovation with high growth projections, exposure to disruptive innovations offered to an attractive fee structure, investment opportunity through a fraud rather than individual stocks. So if we see one is print, we recently added this. So what print is doing is they'll be printing 3D printing. I mean, I have seen the hand movements. So they'll be printing the layers and the wires in a 3D printing way, where we can have the gloves like this, having the 3D thing. So it will be helpful in so many ways. The ticker symbol is PRNT. Its expense ratio is 0.66%. So we have to pay something as an expense ratio. Its market price is $36.36, and its market cap is $7 billion. If you see the performance, top 10 holdings, it's 3D Systems, Exxon, Stroman, Altair, HP, SLM, Dassault, Renishaw, Microsoft Core, MGI Digital Graphic Technology. So it's pretty much good. So I mean, as of now, there are not much of the printing thing happening in these days, but it will be a future. I mean, it's a long-term thing. So if you want to buy it, you can have your own due diligence and look around it, what's going on. But being very frank, as of now, it's not much available in the market. So last is IZRL, Israel Innovative Tech. I should say, I mean, I must say this, the Israel innovation technology are so much advanced. They're doing a lot of things in this AI stuff and all. So that's why Cathie is so much interested in Israel's company. The ticker symbol is IVRL. So what this investment will be doing, they'll be including health technology, communication technology services, electronic technology, consumer services, and producer manufacturing. This market price is 29.92 cents, and market cap is $732 million. And if you see top 10 holdings, this last one. So these are the companies which are available in the Israel and doing all these stuff. So you can look at it, their market price is available, the shares, what ARK investments are holding, and the market value. So that's it, guys. If you like my videos, if you're liking my videos, and if you want me to create another videos or any kind of different topics or whatever you want to know, just do let me know. I'm new to this YouTube channel, but I can assure you that I'll be giving you good knowledge. You can listen while driving or while walking and all. And yeah, I mean, as a request, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Uh, it gives me kind of motivation. That's it, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.